Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase speaker volume on Mac. So if your Mac audio is too quiet while listening to music, watching videos or making voice or video calls, you can increase the speaker volume in just a few seconds. Raising the output volume make all audio play through your selected output device louder, whether you are using your Mac built-in speakers, Bluetooth headphones or external speakers. So if you'd like to increase the Mac speaker volume, here's what to do. First click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to sound and here switch to output. Now here you will see the list of output devices connected to your Mac. Select the output device and then use the output volume slider and drag it right until you reach the preferred volume level. You can also use the volume keys on your keyboard to make a quick adjustments, as you can see here. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.